Students, in this video we are going to start last chapter of this semester, determinant. Okay. First, in this chapter, first topic is determinant of a square matrix. Determinant of a square matrix. Determinant of a square matrix. Every square matrix A is equals to matrix Aij of order n. We can associate a number. That number may be real or complex, called determinants of a square matrix. Determinants of a square matrix A. Where this Aij is equals to I comma jth entry or element of matrix A. Okay, it is denoted by determinant of A or determinant of A or delta. Okay, these are notations for determinant of A. Every square matrix A is equals to Aij of order n. We can associate a number. That number may be real number or complex number, called determinants of a square matrix. Let us write down some notes. First note is for a matrix A, determinant of A. This is read as determinant of A and not modulus of A. Students, remember that this notation denote determinant of A, not a modulus of A. Second, only square matrices have determinants. Square matrices means a matrices which have same number of columns and rows. Okay. Third note is if A is equals to matrix A, be the matrix of order 1, then determinant of A is defined to be equal to A. That is, for example, if capital A is equals to matrix 5, then determinant of A is equals to 5. Okay. Let us take next note. Note number 4. If A is equals to matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. A11 means element of A in first row, first column. A12 means element of in first row and second column. You know that it is very well. Be a matrix of order. Be a matrix of order 2 by 2. Then determinant of A is defined as determinant of A is equals to determinant of A, which is equals to delta, which is equals to, take multiplication of these two, product of these two elements minus product of these two elements, A11 A22 minus A12 A21. This is the determinant of 2 by 2 matrices. Okay. For example 1 is, let A is equals to matrix 2 4 minus 1 2. Then determinant of A is equals to, take multiplication of these two numbers minus multiplication of these two numbers, 4 into minus 2, which is equals to 4. This minus become plus, so 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. So determinant of A is equals to 8. Example number 2, let A is equals to matrix x plus 1 x minus 1 x. Okay. Then determinant of A is equals to multiplication of these two numbers, x into x is x square, minus multiplication of these two numbers, x plus 1 into x minus 1, which is equals to x square minus x square in bracket x square plus x minus 1. Okay. Here x minus get cancelled. This x square minus x square also get cancelled. Minus 1. This minus become plus. So determinant of A is equals to 1. Okay. Let us take next topic. Determinant of A. Determinant of A matrix of order 3 by 3. Okay. Let A is equals to matrix Aij. Be a matrix of order 3 by 3. Then determinant of A is equal to A11 into A22 A23 A32. I will explain this formula in detail in next note. A12 into A2, determinant of A21 A23 A31 A33. Okay, plus A13 into determinant of A21 A22 A31 A32. Okay. A11, we know that how to find determinant of 2 by 2 matrices. A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32. Okay, minus A12 into A21 A33 minus A23 into A31 plus A13 into A21 A32 minus A22 A32. Okay. Note, in the formula for determinant for determinant 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, determinant of 2 by 2 matrices occur. Determinant of 2 by 2 matrices occur. In fact, determinant of 3 by 3 matrix is defined in terms of the determinant of 2 by 2 matrices. Determinant of 2 by 2 matrices. Determinant of 2 by 2 matrices. They may be sub matrices. They may be called sub matrices. Okay. Hence, for the matrix A is equals to matrix A11, A12, because we are considering 3 by 3 matrix, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, we have determinant of A is equals to, see here. Now see here how to obtain this formula of determinant. A11, delete first row and first column, submatrix remains A22, A23, A32, A33. Okay, minus A12 into determinant of, delete first row and second column, so submatrix remains A21, A23, A31, A33. Okay, plus A13 into determinant of, delete first row and third column, submatrix remains A21, A22, A31, A32. Okay, this can be written as A11 into determinant of capital A11 minus A12 into determinant of capital A12 plus A13 into capital A13, where capital A11 is nothing but matrix A22, A23, A32, A33. Okay, A12 is nothing but matrix A21, A23, A31, A32. Okay, sorry, here is A33 plus A13, sorry, capital A13 is nothing but matrix A21, A22, A23, A32. Okay, and determinant, these are submatrices of capital A. Determinant of these submatrices are called minors of the matrix A, and are denoted by are denoted by capital M11, capital M12 and capital M13. Okay. This A matrix is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay. On the similar line, we can define other minors of matrix A as follows. Capital M21 is equals to capital A21. Delete first column and second row. So remaining submatrix is A12, A13, A32, A33. Okay. Take determinant of this matrix. A12 into A33 minus A13 into A32. M22 is nothing but capital A22. Delete second column and second row. So determinant of A11, A13, A11, A13, A31, A33, which is equals to A11 into A33 minus A13 into A31. Okay. Next M23 is equals to capital A23, which is equals to determinant of, delete second row and third column. So determinant of A11, A12, A31, A32. Similarly, we can calculate M31, M32, M33. Okay. Now we define cofactors of a matrix A. Cofactors of matrix A. The I, J cofactor of A is denoted by Cij and is given by Cij is equal to -1 raised to I plus j into determinant of Aij, and determinant of Aij is nothing but minus of Mij. -1 raised to I plus j Mij. Okay. Therefore determinant in terms of cofactor, determinant in terms of cofactor, determinant of A is equals to A11 C11 minus A12 C12 plus A13 into C13. Okay. This formula is called cofactor expansion across the first row of A. First row of capital A. Okay. Next is determinant of a square matrix. Determinant of a square matrix of order n by n for n is greater than or equal to 2. The determinant of an n by n matrix A is equals to matrix Aij is the sum of n terms of the form Aij into determinant of Aij with plus and minus sign alternating. With plus and minus sign alternating, and the entries A11, A12 and so on up to A1n are from first row of A. In symbol, determinant of A across the first row is equal to A11 into determinant of A11, okay, minus A12 into determinant of A12 plus and so on minus 1 raised to, here I plus j, I denote number of row and j denote number of columns. So here we are taking determinant of A across the first row, that's why here 1 plus n is number of columns, so A1n into determinant of A1n. Okay, this can be written as summation j runs from 1 to n minus 1 raised to 1 plus j A1j into determinant of A1j. Okay, if you put j is equals to 1, then we will get A11 determinant of A11. If you put j is equals to 2, then minus 1 raised to 3. Here minus 1 raised to 3 is minus, so minus A12 determinant of capital A12 and plus and so on. Okay, now we will take examples. Let us take first example on determinant of a matrix. Okay, example, let capital A is equals to matrix Aij. Okay, A is equals to matrix 1 5 0 2 4 1 0 minus 2 0. Then matrix A is equals to 1 into, here we are taking determinant of the matrix So 1, delete first row and column, here remains submatrix is determinant of 4 1 minus 2 0, okay, minus 5 into determinant of, delete first row and second column, submatrix remains 2 1 0 0, okay, plus 0 into, delete first row and third column, submatrix remains 2 4 0 minus, okay, 1 into, take determinant of this matrix, 4 into 0 0 minus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, okay, minus 5 into 2 into 0 0 minus 1 into 0 0 plus 0 into minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 0, okay, which is equals to, see here 0 minus minus become plus, so this is 2, 2 into 1 is 2, this is minus 5 into 0 0 plus 0, so we get determinant, sorry, this notation is determinant of A, so determinant of A is equals to 2, okay. We will stop here. In next video we will see some more examples on determinants.